tip is for long rides. Yes, the ride day is like more than 2-3 hours, but not fast rides, you know, those rides that you go along and enjoy the places. What I always do is, yes, bring a little box with some mint. Yes. It's so good, like, you know, after like 3 hours, 2 hours riding, to have something that freshen up. When you get some mint and you drink some water, it really cools you down. Today is 34 degrees Celsius. It's hot. I know, that's a very, very simple one, but I really like it. Hope you like it. It's a very quick tip. There is a very, very nice video coming up on Saturday. I came to this beautiful park to do a great video about 3 tricks for your go-to. Oh, so nice ones. I like it. Bye-bye. Hope you like it. Thumbs up and be part of it. There's some great tips and some great videos. Bye-bye.